Hey guys, welcome to this analysis. Just did another 3 hours live in my Academy trading room. Don't forget you can join that underneath and you get my free training there too. So I'm going to do another euro pair. It's going to be euro pound this time. I did euro dollar earlier. We just watched the live conference. No real changes. Rhetoric more or less the same from last time. Teetering along, minor improvements, keeping things the same, being steady. Now, what you found as well is the euro has started to drop in that time with that same rhetoric, everything being fine, because it's likely, therefore, you may see rates down. Now, the current drop just on your euro pound at the moment has seen significant rejection, really sharp up to the upside with a buy bar. If you zoom out, you can really see why, okay? And I think ideally all of this is reasonable for longs, and that's giving you reasonable confirmation. Put your time frames up slightly. You know, you can see you've rebounded here many times already, and you can see it's come off the back of this previous price action here, okay? So the euro pound is all about price action, and it makes things so easy to predict with this pair, because if you zoom out, you can see a mass of candle wicks. They're just absolutely everywhere. It's like the inside of a cave with stalagmites, stalactites, whichever it is. There's just constant rejection, orders being pulled in and out of the market, and therefore price action occurring all over the place. Okay, so you can see that left, right, and center. Now, there's no need to rush in. Okay, you can let price dip slightly, but it does look like you're starting to move up higher on all of this rejection, and it comes quite well in line with the sideways market that you've seen here. So the approach with the euro and the pound, okay, has really caused this sideways move for ages, because nothing significant is going on. There isn't a real reason to buy the pound or sell the pound, or buy the euro or sell the euro against one another. But I would say as you move closer to the bottom side of this sideways movement, it's going to become a better place for you to start to get long, especially in the area we're going to now. So like I said, I like it long at the moment. You've got yearly support as well at the moment, and you've got key levels here. Okay, you can see you've got key support there where I've just drawn that arrow, and then slight key support underneath. All right, so as we start to move to the downside, you'll have various opportunities where you could use price action to take it long. And I would say that it's likely the price trajectory is going to go a similar way for a long period of time, because there, just isn't that need to slam into the euro or slam into the pound. You had a difference around Brexit time and Brexit talks. It's when you get this real dip. Okay, the euro gets smashed against the pound, but you just reversed it all. It was a V-shape recovery, because you came off from this high to this low, okay, and back up. So at this point, we're now tentatively changing to a long bias from what was a short bias higher up. And you can see that quite clearly. You don't have to be a genius to realize that anything down here is constituting a long purely based on price action, and anything up here is a short. Now, of course, it takes time to get to these areas, and that's why I mentioned this area here being long now. You might find that if this one fails, then you end up going down to your 0.84 level, and it's a really ideal spot to get long in line with your 200 MA. And like I said, you've got yearly support, and again, various areas of long-term price rejection / price action. You've seen this throughout history, okay, and you can see it continually. And that's why I like the euro pound specifically, because you've got so much repeated price action in a short period of time. And when you get that, you get this real firm data on what's happened before and how it can influence your decisions going forward and improve and increase, in many cases, your accuracy overall as a trader. So I hope that helps, guys. Like I said, 3 hours we just did live with our Academy members. You can join it below and start learning to trade for income. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See you there.